Good morning, young Groms. It is a foggy September day. It was just and good morning, young Groms. It is a September day. It's a little chilly. We are working 11 a.m. to 11 p.m., which means we might have time for a session before work. All right, guys. So yeah, it is 8:26 in the morning. I am actually just cooking up some peppers and onions. I've been doing a lot of research on diet, and I've been finding that the healthiest diet is one that has like 90% vegetables. You want to be eating like a ton of vegetables. Yeah, rice is definitely not the healthiest thing you could eat. It's pretty low in nutrients, but I'm also on a $0 a day budget. I am trying to just exist on spending like no money. And if this is what my lunch is gonna look like, then that's the best we can do for now. So let's surf, let's go to the hospital, let's help people, and we're fired up. Guys, we're actually just gonna trunk it today, and I'm moving everything from my truck to my sister's car because it is a little more fuel efficient. We got everything we need. We got 2 Magic Mind, we got some oatmeal. We have, make sure that's right side up. We got the good stuff in there, the peppers. We got stethoscope and ID in here, running shorts, wetsuit, and we got the 6.0 Wally fish ankle brace too, because my ankle. We're almost out of here. I'm banking on the fact that it's Sunday and there should be like no traffic. One thing that's kind of crazy about residency is that you actually get used to working on the weekends and you come to enjoy it, even though you'll work like basically 12 days in a row without missing a day at the hospital. You'll start liking Saturday and Sunday because like there's less traffic driving there and like hopefully less people come in. Sometimes the weekend can be more crazy, but a lot of the times it's a little more chill. Mondays are the worst because a lot of people have had like smoldering medical conditions. They wait to go to their doctor on Monday, and then their primary care doctor is like, whoa, you need to go to the emergency room right now. So Monday's always a tough day, but it's Sunday, it's today, and I'm hoping everyone just has a healthy day and nothing happens to people. All right, young Groms, we made it down to the beach. Today we were riding the Wally fish, but more importantly than that, we gotta get fired up. We're about to surf. We just ran and we still have to work like 12 to 13 hours in the emergency room, so I'm gonna get started with some Magic Minds. I love drinking Magic Mind because it's got all natural ingredients. I hate the idea of putting chemicals in your body. Anytime something is made in a lab, it always has side effects. Every medication always has some side effects. So the fact that there's like some ashwagandha in here, some olive oil, some passion fruit, like that's the best thing you can ask for. And there is caffeine in here too. It's a little bit of a crutch. Sometimes when I'm working till midnight or on a night shift, I do drink some caffeine. But it's not like a Monster Energy, and it's full of good things. So we're stoked right now. We're gonna go paddle out and catch some waves. I gotta zoom, and my car could run out of gas. I got lost track of time. I had to run because if my 11 o'clock shift, my 11 to 11 could turn into 11 to like 1 a.m. So I would miss my mile for the day. And yeah, things just took longer than I expected. Hey guys, I am running slightly on time and I'm almost out of gas. I didn't want to jinx it and celebrate too early, but I think we got it. Just the camera setup and everything this morning took me longer than I expected. Caught one good wave that was pretty sick. I'm on E. I'm gonna get there like 7 minutes early. I still have to like put my belt on and stuff, but I am really on E. It's a little bit of uphill, then we got downhill the rest of the way, and I think we're gonna be able to do it. All right guys, it is 11:20 at night right now, and I am off my shift. It's a full day. Got crazy towards the end. Looks like we're gonna make it home fine. We got $3.22 that I was able to scrape together to get us from the gas station home after the show. Before we end this vlog, I just want to give a shout out to Magic Mind. It's true that I've been an ambassador for them now, and you know, they've been helping me out, but it's definitely a product, like I always say, that got me through med school and I would get behind even if I wasn't an ambassador for them. So I'm super stoked that I took one before surfing, and I only had like a 30-minute session because I kind of lost track of time. That might have even been like a 20-minute session, honestly. And then I just like got in my scrubs and zoomed to the hospital as fast as I could. And that's gonna be it for the gas. But yeah, even just that one Magic Mind gave me like a ton of energy. And normally I wouldn't drink one before like on a day shift. I normally like drink a ton on night shifts. We're gonna end this vlog right now. You can check out my discount code from Magic Mind right here. And as always, we will see you on the next swell.